Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we bring you the latest job updates, career tips, and insights into the world of analytics, technology, and corporate opportunities. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out any update from our end. So today we have an amazing job opportunity for you from the Amazon. They are basically hiring for the position of programmer analyst DSP program in Bengaluru, India. So if you have a strong analytical skills, SQL, Python experience, and an interest in logistic and supply chain, this role could be a great fit for you. So let's dive into the job details. So as you can see over here, they have mentioned the job role is of a programmer analyst, and under the DSP program is a team. So let's understand a little bit about the Amazon. So Amazon is basically the world's largest, and most customer-centric company, offering e-commerce, cloud computing, and AI-driven services worldwide. The AMZL OTI capacity planning team plays a crucial role in optimizing last mile delivery, ensuring efficiency, cost reductions, and seamless automation. So the job role, as I already mentioned, is of a program analyst, and location is Bengaluru, and it's a full-time opportunity, of course. So let's understand more about the role. So the role programmer analyst is basically, you'll work on short-term resource planning for Amazon's last mile delivery stations. So your key responsibilities will include improving cost efficiency, reducing operational complexity, increasing planning accuracy, and automation key processes. And also you can see they have mentioned the key responsibilities out here, so we can just break it down. So you will be basically, setting up the and driving the improvement projects to enhance customer experience. Along with that, you'll also be involved into identifying, planning, and executing automation projects to optimize operations. You'll work with a big data using SQL, Amazon S3, and QuickSight to generate insights and dashboards. Along with that, you'll also be involved into automating workflow using Python scripts and macros. And not just that, you'll also be developing frugal and innovative solutions for business growth in constant environments, and implementing tools and processes to minimize supply chain losses and analyze plan versus actual plan. So this is all you would be doing, along with one more thing, that you'll be leveraging strong problem solving skills, communication skills to influence key stakeholders. So these all would be your kind of key responsibilities that you will be performing once you join Amazon as programmer analyst. So now let's discuss the minimum qualification required to be eligible for this particular role. So as you can see over your screen, they have mentioned the basic qualification, that you must have a bachelor degree and a kind of proficient in SQL, Python, R, scripting, MS Excel. Either of Python or R is okay. I mean, you don't have to be fluent or proficient in both the programming languages. Either of them is also fine, with a strong knowledge of data mining, table joins, and analytical functions. And of course, you should have fluency in English, spoken, written, reading, everything. So, and if you have experienced Microsoft Office application, you will be given preferences, of course. And preferred qualification also they have mentioned, which is experience in SQL, again, data visualizations, kind of all those stuff. So this is going to be a wonderful opportunity for the freshers, or up to 1 year experience, who want to work in such a big enterprise and a customer centric company. And why wants to join Amazon? So as you guys know, it's one of the world's most innovative company and a fully customer centric company. Plus you'll get hands-on experience in big data, automations, and analytics. Plus you will collaborate with industry experts and drive large scale projects. Along with that, you'll also enjoy a fast paced, challenging, and rewarding career opportunities and growth, with a very good hands-on salary as well. And plus you get many other perks and benefits at Amazon that is incredible, like. So of course these are the enough reasons to join Amazon. So now how you can apply, just check for the direct link in the description, do check it out and apply it as soon as possible. And also you can search for some other opportunities, because they are actively hiring. Amazon is actively hiring, and they have around 10 lakh plus employees worldwide. So this is one of the biggest company in the world. So that was all about today's job update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends or colleagues who might be interested into data analytics and programmer analytics role. And also comment below if you have any questions related to job or applications or any other technical things as well. And most importantly, subscribe to the Forge Notes for daily job updates, interview tips, and career insights, because we are bringing three important hiring, especially on this particular YouTube channel. And you can hit on the bell icon as well to so that you don't miss any update from our end. And thanks for watching. You can also subscribe to our other channel, which is Forge Tech, where we are bringing in-depth data analytics series. So subscribe to that channel. We'll be covering their some real life projects as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing for the notes.